With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, the question is the process of exchange of A from the environment with CO2 produced by the cells is called B and commonly known as C. Okay, and choose the alternative that will correctly replace A, B, and C in the above statement and make it meaningful, right? So for A, B, and C, there are different options, right? And we have to choose the correct one. Okay, so in the question, that is for the regarding breathing and exchange of gases, right? So we need energy to perform the various activities in our body, right? And energy is derived from the catabolism of food components, right? And these components are proteins, right? And fats and carbohydrates, etc., right? So for these various catabolic processes, oxygen is required, that is obtained from the environment, right? And in return, CO2 is produced and released into the environment, right? So this process is known as breathing, right? And commonly known as the respiration, right? So here that in the statement, the process of exchange of O2, oxygen, from the atmosphere with carbon dioxide produced by the cells is called B is breathing. Okay, A is oxygen here, B is breathing here, and commonly known as the C, that is respiration, right? So here we can see that our right answer is option C, right? I hope this will answer your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.